So today we are heading to Hoplaco for a full English breakfast. It's called the Hoplaco Beach. Good morning everyone. So this was filmed early in the morning. We decided to go down, I think it was just after 9:30 a.m. We had a stroll down to the Hoplaco Beach Bar. So here's a quick look at the menu. I am doing a full video of all the places we ate while in Corralejo, so I would highly recommend you give that a watch. I'll show you the places we ate, pin them on a map, and then just tell you about the places and what we thought about them. So this was my son who had pancakes and ice cream, and so did the daughter, and I had a full English breakfast. The wife had a bat, mother-in-law had pancakes as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. It's going to be a steady stroll. We basically walked so far up the coastline of town, and then we turned around and walked back towards the Hoplaco. So watch out for the next upload, because that will be a walk all the way up to the harbour and port area, and that is worth watching. It's quite busy, and there's quite a lot to see, so yeah, make sure you tune in for that one. And as always, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because I've still got loads and loads of content to come from this stunning island. So yeah, we've had a wonderful breakfast. Lovely staff, absolutely lovely staff. Can't recommend the place highly enough. The breakfast was perfect, cooked to perfection. So definitely recommend the place. And if you look at the tower, you can see the tower we stood at the top of in the distance. We took a photo and I showed you the viewpoint. Now basically making his way right around to the Waikiki Bar. And we've still yet to go down to the port and harbour area. All sports shown here, Lewis. On the big screen then there. I'm coming round to where Uga is. There's a few more bars around there. Where? Oh yeah. All day. this is the grill leaner. Now back round to Bossa Beach, and where we went for breakfast this morning. Massive thank you to the members of the channel, and here is a list of the gold members. Go check them out. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more uploads from this beautiful island of Fuerteventura. Thank you and goodbye.